Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make minced lobster. Start by steaming or boiling whole lobster until opaque, then cool and remove meat from shells. Chop meat finely and pat dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Mix with a little mayo, lemon zest, chopped chives, salt, and a pinch of cayenne. Taste and adjust seasoning, chill for 15 minutes, then serve on toast or in tacos. Use a sharp chef's knife and a sturdy cutting board to mince lobster safely and evenly. Keep lobster meat cold to maintain texture and to make chopping easier, and dry thoroughly to avoid watery mixes. Gently fold ingredients to preserve flake structure and avoid overworking or using a food processor, which can turn meat pasty. Season lightly with citrus and herbs so lobster flavor remains the star when served always. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle while you cook, especially after handling salty lobster hands and tasting citrus. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple seafood tutorials. I love this bottle's leak-proof lid and easy carry design for busy kitchens, and it keeps drinks cold between prep steps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balance lobster's sweet flavor with bright acid, a touch of fat, and fresh herbs for contrast and richness. Use lemon juice, a little mayonnaise or creme fraiche, chopped tarragon or chives, and a pinch of chili for warmth. Try minced lobster in salads, tacos, sliders, or stuffed mushrooms to showcase texture. Keep portions modest as lobster is rich, and serve chilled or gently warmed depending on the dish and guest preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.